Another day, another story. Introduction to the stock market. The stock market is a centralized marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It provides companies with a platform to raise capital by selling ownership stakes in the form of stocks, and investors can profit by purchasing these shares and benefiting from potential price appreciation over time. Let's explore the basics of the stock market in detail. 1. What is a stock? A stock, also known as a share or equity, represents ownership in a company. When you buy a share of a company's stock, you become a partial owner of that business. The more shares you own, the larger your ownership stake in the company. 2. How the stock market works. The stock market functions through stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ in the United States. Companies list their shares on these exchanges to make them available for public trading. Investors can access the stock market through brokerage accounts, either traditional or online, which act as intermediaries to facilitate buying and selling of stocks. 3. Types of stocks. There are two primary types of stocks. A. Common stocks. These are the most common type of stocks and provide shareholders with voting rights in the company's decision-making process. They also offer potential dividends and capital appreciation. B. Preferred stocks. Preferred shareholders receive a fixed dividend and have a higher claim on the company's assets than common shareholders. However, they usually do not possess voting rights. 4. Stock price and market capitalization. The stock price is the current value of one share of a company. It fluctuates based on supply and demand, influenced by factors such as company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. Market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the stock price by the total number of outstanding shares. It represents the total value of a company as perceived by the market. Companies with larger market capitalization are often referred to as large cap companies, while those with smaller market capitalization are known as small cap companies. 5. Bull and bear markets. Bull market. A bull market is characterized by rising stock prices and investor optimism. It usually occurs during periods of economic growth, increased corporate profits, and low unemployment rates. Bear market. A bear market is characterized by falling stock prices and investor pessimism. It typically occurs during economic downturns, recessionary periods, or market corrections. 6. Factors influencing the stock market. Numerous factors influence the stock market, including company performance. A company's financial health, earnings reports, and future prospects significantly impact its stock price. Positive news and strong financials tend to drive stock prices higher. Economic indicators. Economic data, such as GDP growth, unemployment rates, and inflation, can influence the overall stock market. A growing economy often correlates with a rising stock market. Real-time example. During an economic boom, company XYZ reports robust earnings, leading to increased investor confidence. As a result, its stock price rises, and the market experiences a bullish trend. 7. Risks and rewards of investing in the stock market. Volatility. The stock market is subject to fluctuations, and stock prices can be volatile in response to various factors like geopolitical events, economic reports, or company-specific news. Diversification. To manage risk, investors diversify their portfolios by investing in a variety of stocks, industries, and asset classes. Real-time example. An investor diversifies their portfolio by holding stocks from different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. This approach reduces the impact of poor performance in any one sector on the overall portfolio. Conclusion. Understanding the basics of the stock market is essential for anyone looking to invest in it. Investors should conduct thorough research, consider their risk tolerance, and seek advice from financial professionals before making investment decisions. The stock market can offer lucrative opportunities for wealth creation but is also subject to inherent risks that must be carefully managed. Please note that the stock market is a complex subject, and this overview is intended as a starting point for your understanding. Continue to explore and learn to become a well-informed investor. Thanks for watching.